Hi everyone, in this video we will solve 4 power x over 12 is equal to 8. Find the value of x. Let's start the solution of this question. We have 4 power x over 12 is equal to 8. Now by cross multiplication we have 4 power x equals 8 into 12. Now we can write this as 4 power x equals, this 8 can be written as 4 into 2 and this 12 can be written as 4 into 3. As we can see that this 4 has power 1 and this 4 has power 1, so it will be 4 power x equals 4 square and 2 into 3 is 6. Now we divide both sides of the equation by 4 square. 4 square, 4 square. On the right side 4 square cancel with 4 square. We have 4 power x over 4 square is equal to 6. Now here we know that a power m over a power n can be written as a power m minus n. So here a is 4, m is x and n is 2. So it will be 4 power x minus 2 is equal to 6. Now we will take the logarithm on both sides of the equation. The log of 4 power x minus 2 is equal to log of 6. We will use the power rule, that is log of m raised to the power n is always equals to n times log of m. So it will be x minus 2 log of 4 is equal to log of 6. Now we can write this as x minus 2 log of 4 is equal to log of 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Now for the right side we know the formula log of m cross n is always equals to log of m plus log of n. Here m is 2 and n is 3, so it will be log of 4 x minus 2 equals to log of 2 plus log of 3. Now this term is multiplying with x minus 2. We have to divide both sides of the equation by log of 4 and log of 4. Log 4 cancel with log 4. We have x minus 2 equals, this is log of 2 and this is log of 4 can be written as 2 square plus log of 3 over log of 4 is 2 square. So it will become x minus 2 log of 2 here 2 into log of 2 power rule plus log of 3 over 2 times log of 2. Log 2 cancel with log 2. We have x minus 2 equals 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 3 over log of 2. X minus 2 equals 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 3 by log of 2. We have log of m over log of n always equals to log of m with the base n, so it will be log of 3 with the base 2. Now add 2 on both sides. We have x equals 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 3 with the base 2. Taking 2 LCM, x equals 2 1 2 2 2 4 plus 2 1 1 plus 1 by 2 log of 3 with the base 2. It will be x equals 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 3 with the base 2. This is the final value of x. Now we will check this value of x whether it is correct or not. We will put this value of x back in the equation. We have 4 power x over 12 is equal to 8. We can write it as 4. What is x? 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 3 with the base 2 is equal to 8 divided by 12. We can write this 4 as a 2 square. 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log of 3 with the base 2 over 12 equals 8. If we multiply 2 inside, it will be 2 cancel with 2, 2 power 5 plus log of 3 with the base 2 over 12 equal to 8. We know that a power m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n. So it will be 2 power 5 times 2 power log of 3 with the base 2 over 12 equals 8. We'll use formula for this term. A power log of b with the base a always equals to b. Here b is 3, so 2 power 5 is 32. 32 into 3 into 12 equals 8. 3 1 3 4 4 1 4 8. So 8 equals 8. It means our value of x 5 by 2 plus 1 by 2 log 3 with the base 2 is correct, and this is the final answer. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.